Our product and engineering teams stay busy accelerating development of the Workato platform to help your teams automate more, connect more, and deliver more for your business. For the month of November, we'll review some key updates that help you build automations faster. Workbot for Slack now supports link buttons, which open web pages or additional messages in new tabs once clicked. Link buttons improve the user experience by reducing the number of clicks required to take action. In these examples, I can easily open my next Zoom meeting directly from Slack or load the company's PTO request form with a single click. Bots aren't human, but they can hold conversations like humans. You can use Workbot with Google's Dialogflow to design conversational experiences in Slack. Users can simply ask, "How do I reset my password?" or "Check my PTO balance for the year," or "What are the latest return to work policies?" Behind the scenes, Dialogflow's NLU engine interprets and generates the request for Workbot to fetch the necessary data from any combination of business apps. To make these conversations more secure, we've enhanced the security when establishing a connection to your Dialogflow agent by rotating the key and refresh tokens. You may use the NetSuite Connector to automate critical financial processes like order to cash, quote to cash, invoice processing, order sync and fulfillment, inventory, and more. We recently updated our NetSuite Connector to use the SuiteTalk 2022 API. With this update, the NetSuite Connector now has access to even more record and field types. Your NetSuite connections have been updated automatically to the SuiteTalk 2022 APIs. Visit docs.workato.com to learn more about the complete list of record and field types. Extensibility is a core value of the Workato platform. It gives you the freedom to extend the platform to fit your needs, now and in the future. In addition to using Ruby and AWS Lambda for creating custom logic to transform data, you can now also use JavaScript. With the new JavaScript Connector, you can easily parse and convert semi-structured data into structured outputs, run complex data cleansing and validation rules to standardize phone, email, zip code, and other contact information, and much more. All JavaScript libraries included in Node.js version 14 are available in the JavaScript action. As a marketer, you're looking to scale your campaigns, reach prospects more effectively, and demonstrate ROI. Eloqua is a marketing automation tool that helps marketers and organizations build a unified experience across their marketing channels. With the new connector for Eloqua, you can build automations to funnel customer data from sources like your website, landing pages, virtual events, webinars, emails, blogs, and more into Eloqua. Check out how you can automate cleansing, enrichment, and routing of leads to personalize customer interactions and improve sales and marketing alignment by connecting Eloqua to your CRM, support, and other systems. That wraps it up for this month's updates. Visit our newly refreshed product hub at product.workato.com to stay updated with product updates, best practices, and upcoming webinars.